Hello, George. How are you? Happy New Year. I created this video for you. We have added the PSM meniscus interest system, and I did a demo case here, so you can take a look. So we have our bone structure. We segment the upper jaw, and we have our upper jaw scan model. Then we add meniscus. So we add 4 meniscus. And each one has a safety zone, has a sleeves associated with this. And for the sleeves and for the surgical kits, we can completely customize them. The users can customize them. Then take a look at our surgical guide. So we select an area on the scan file, then we created this surgical guide. Uh, I don't know if we should put them on the same plane, but if we want to, we can. And all the implants meniscus are parallel. So this is the surgical guide. And we can, in the meantime, generate a report. And let's say we want to do some editing, just to show you how easy it is. So let's look at the meniscus we have. So let's, for example, if we want to move this one up, let's say it's the back one. Which one? Okay. Let's say we want to move this one up. So we move it up. We move this one up. Then if we want to move those lower, for example, if we want to move this lower, you can change the slices. We can move this lower. Then we can look at the 3D views, so we know this one need to go lower. If we want to adjust, we can adjust that. For example, we go here, that will press down this, and we can go lower on this. So this is how you make the adjustment. We have tools to group the implants to make them parallel, etc. So we adjust the meniscus, we go back to the design. Then you say meniscus has been changed. We don't have to do anything. We just click the button and regenerate the guide. One thing I want you to notice, you see this slot. So that's I purposely create one when I was doing the planning. So that's for in general for some of the manufacturers they want to have glues. Those slots are for injecting the glues. And also you can see this area, we completely take care of the collisions between the housing area. When the implants are too close, those can have conflicts. In the example you sent to me, they have a collision there, they have an angle, it didn't quite clean up that area, but we automatically take care of this. So you see we are regenerating the guide. So after the generation, you see all those areas we can cut holes. We don't have to use so much materials, and also we can improve the, if we add holes, for example, in post-processing, if I add a hole, we can do start, we can do cut. So if I and we can do inspection windows. So those tools are similar. For example, I want to create a hole here so we can inspect if the teeth are fit properly. Then we can cut this area, make a hole. So this is to show you how a typical case will look like and how we actually create the guide.